There's a moment in every conversation where you either gain power or quietly give it away. Most people don't even notice it. They keep talking, explaining, justifying, filling every silence with words. And in doing so, they slowly lose respect. Not because they are wrong, not because they are weak, but because they don't understand one simple rule. Respect grows in silence and dies in over-explanation. Today, we'll break this down. 7 quiet patterns that instantly lower how people see you and how to replace them with calm, controlled presence. 1. Over-explaining yourself. You say no to something, and then you explain why. I can't come. I'm busy. I have work. I'm tired. You keep going, hoping they understand. But something subtle happens. The more you explain, the less your decision feels final. It starts to sound like negotiation. Confident people don't over-explain. They say less and mean more. I can't make it. That's it. No pressure. No apology stacked on apology. No need to convince. Because true confidence doesn't ask for permission to exist. When you over-explain, you send one message. I need you to approve my choices. And people feel that. Respect drops. Quietly. 2. Filling every silence. A conversation pauses, and instantly, you rush to fill it. You add more words, more stories, more details. Because silence feels uncomfortable. But here's what most people miss. Silence is not empty. It's powerful. It gives weight to your words. It shows control. It creates presence. People who are respected are comfortable with silence. They let moments breathe. They don't chase attention. They let it come to them. When you fill every gap, you signal nervous energy. When you stay calm in silence, you signal control. And control is what people respect. 3. Trying too hard to be liked. You laugh at jokes that aren't funny. You agree when you don't really agree. You soften your opinions, just to fit in. It feels harmless, but people notice. Not consciously, but emotionally. They sense that you're adjusting yourself based on them, and that slowly reduces your value in their eyes. Because respect isn't built on approval. It's built on authenticity. When you stand by your words calmly, without forcing them, without pushing them, you become solid. And people trust solid people. Trying to be liked makes you easy to ignore. Being grounded makes you hard to dismiss. 4. Reacting too quickly. Someone criticizes you, or challenges you, or says something slightly disrespectful, and you react instantly. You defend, you argue, you explain. But fast reactions often come from emotion, not clarity, and emotional reactions reduce your authority. Calm people don't rush. They pause. They let the moment settle. Sometimes they respond slowly. Sometimes they don't respond at all. That pause, that space between trigger and response, that's where respect is built. Because it shows you are in control of yourself, not controlled by others. 5. Sharing too much, too soon. You meet someone new, and within minutes, you're telling them everything. Your struggles, your plans, your personal details. It feels like connection, but it often creates imbalance. Respect grows in layers. Not all at once. When you reveal everything too quickly, you remove mystery. You remove depth. You give people access before they've earned it. And people tend to value what takes time. Calm, respected individuals understand pacing. They share slowly. They observe more than they speak. They let others reveal themselves first. Because information is a form of power, and giving it away too fast reduces your position. 6. Constantly justifying your value. There's a quiet mistake many people make without realizing it. They keep explaining their worth. hoping others will finally see it. They talk about how hard they've worked, what they've achieved, how much they've sacrificed, not to brag, but to be understood, to be acknowledged, to feel respected. But something subtle happens in those moments. The more you try to prove your value, the more it begins to feel uncertain. Because real value doesn't need constant explanation. It carries itself. It shows up in how you speak, how you move, how you respond under pressure. People don't just listen to your words. They study your presence. When someone keeps reminding others of their importance, it creates doubt instead of clarity. It signals that they are still seeking validation. And people naturally place less weight on what feels like a request for approval. True respect works differently. It grows from consistency, from calm confidence, from the ability to stand in your truth without needing to announce it. The most respected individuals don't rush to explain who they are. They let time reveal it. Their actions are steady. Their boundaries are clear. Their energy feels grounded. They don't chase recognition. They attract it. And the shift is simple, but powerful. Stop trying to convince people of your worth. Let your behavior speak long enough for others to feel it. Because when your presence becomes undeniable, you won't need to say a word. 7. Not knowing when to walk away. There's a moment in every interaction when the energy shifts. You feel it. The conversation becomes heavy. The respect starts to fade. But instead of stepping back, you stay. You keep talking. Keep explaining. Keep trying to fix something that no longer deserves your effort. And that's where the loss begins. Not because you're wrong, but because you're staying past the point of value. When you tolerate subtle disrespect or engage in conversations that go nowhere, you send a quiet signal that your time and energy are negotiable. People notice what you allow. The longer you remain in situations that drain you, the more normal it becomes for others to treat you that way. Not out of intention, but out of pattern. And patterns define perception. Strong individuals understand something most ignore. Not every moment needs a response. Not every situation deserves your presence. And not every person earns continued access to you. Walking away is not weakness, it's awareness. It means you recognize when something no longer aligns with your standards. It means you value your peace more than proving a point. No final words. No dramatic exit. Just quiet distance. And in that silence, your self-respect becomes clear. At the core of all this is one simple shift. Stop trying to control how people see you, and start controlling how you show up. Less explaining, less reacting, less proving, more calm, more silence, more presence. Because respect is not something you chase. It's something that forms when your behavior becomes steady, grounded, and intentional. People notice that, not immediately, but deeply. And over time, you'll realize something strange. The less you try to be heard, the more people listen. The less you try to impress, the more people respect you. If this made you think, stay around. There's more to understand.